When it comes to improving home value in the villages, many homeowners focus on kitchens, bathrooms, or landscaping. While those projects certainly add appeal, one often overlooked upgrade can deliver impressive returns: door installation. Whether it's a striking new entry door, stylish patio doors, or practical interior upgrades, the right door choice can significantly enhance your property's value, curb appeal, and functionality. First impressions start at the front door. Your front door is more than an entryway. It sets the tone for your entire home. In the villages, where neighborhoods are known for charm and character, a well-chosen entry door can instantly elevate curb appeal. Modern buyers notice details, and a fresh, high-quality door suggests that the home has been well cared for. Upgrading to a durable, energy-efficient, and stylish front door not only creates a welcoming atmosphere but also makes a lasting first impression that can increase perceived home value. Energy efficiency and cost savings. Florida's hot climate means energy efficiency is a major concern for homeowners in the villages. Doors play a crucial role in maintaining indoor comfort and reducing utility bills. A poorly sealed or outdated door can allow air leakage, forcing HVAC systems to work harder. By installing new, energy-efficient doors, you're investing in better insulation and sealing. This leads to immediate cost savings on energy bills and adds long-term value for potential buyers who prioritize eco-friendly, cost-effective living. Security is a selling point. Homebuyers want to feel safe, and upgraded doors provide peace of mind. Sturdy, reinforced entry doors with advanced locking systems demonstrate a commitment to security. Sliding glass patio doors with shatter-resistant glass or multi-point locks are not just stylish but also practical. In the villages, where many residents enjoy peace of mind in retirement communities, buyers will see secure doors as a major advantage, translating to increased home value. Indoor-outdoor living appeal. One of the great joys of living in the villages is the year-round sunshine. Patio doors that connect indoor and outdoor spaces allow homeowners to maximize this lifestyle. Installing sliding glass, French, or bifold patio doors creates seamless transitions to lanais, gardens, or outdoor entertaining areas. This upgrade is not only a lifestyle improvement but also a financial one. Buyers often place a premium on homes that encourage indoor-outdoor living, making new patio door installation an attractive selling point. Style and customization matter in today's real estate market. Personalization is key. Homebuyers in the villages often seek homes that reflect modern trends while blending with community aesthetics. Doors can provide that balance. From classic wood finishes to sleek steel or fiberglass options, the right installation allows homeowners to align their property with current design preferences. Custom features, like glass panels, decorative hardware, or bold colors, can set your home apart in a competitive market. These stylistic touches not only enhance daily enjoyment but also create an edge when it's time to sell. Return on investment, ROI. Few home upgrades combine function, beauty, and value as effectively as door installation. Industry studies consistently rank entry door replacements among the highest return remodeling projects. Homeowners in the villages can expect to recoup a significant percentage of their investment while enjoying immediate benefits in comfort, aesthetics, and security. When prospective buyers see a new door, they also see fewer upcoming expenses. That peace of mind often translates into stronger offers and faster sales. Conclusion. A simple change with big impact door installation may not always top the list of home improvement projects, but for homeowners in the villages, it's a powerful way to boost property value. A new door enhances curb appeal, improves energy efficiency, strengthens security, and enriches lifestyle. Whether you're planning to sell soon or simply want to enjoy the benefits of an upgraded home, investing in quality door installation is a smart, customer-focused decision that pays off in both comfort and market value.